Hello, we are Team 2132, and this is our video presentation showcasing our progress at the end of Sprint 1 for our project Harvest for Us. Our client is the Atlanta mobile market, where our team is designing an Android application that connects local farmers to their community, making it easy for consumers to buy fresh produce. Our goals for Sprint 1 was to familiarize ourselves with the existing code base as the project had worked done on it by a previous team. For one, we wanted to refactor the old team's code and set up the MySQL database. 2, implement our new educational/resources page. And 3, redesign the UI of the previous team's app. This presentation will walk through these updates and showcase a demo of the app's current state.
The previous team used the Boto 3 framework to deploy the APIs to an AWS service. However, due to cost, this approach is no longer feasible, so our team is transitioning the app to use the AWS MySQL relational database system, where we will use Flask as the backend. This will allow us to have a free and stable framework with which to develop the backend, which can easily be deployed once development is completed. Because this transition will take time to implement, we composed a mock interface to show example responses from our Flask backend and database. Not only will this showcase the navigation between basic screens, but it will also facilitate development as we gradually move to using the real backend for our various user stories. You can see the current state of the database in the images on the right. On the top is the database as it appears in the AWS console. The bottom left image shows the connection information in MySQL Workbench, and the bottom right image shows the tables of our database and the columns of our users table. The shown user story is made possible through this setup.
A main component that we integrated was an educational resource page. This page displays a variety of health and nutritional information through outsourced articles. Topics that are covered in these articles include information about local farmers markets, government nutrition programs, healthy eating, and community food support. Once a user selects an article, the app will open in a browser window, enabling the user to return back to the Harvest for Us application at any time.
The old team's UI for the mobile app really needed a refresh as some of the colors and formatting used didn't match the Harvest for Us brand. We transitioned from the old Harvest for Us color scheme on the login, register, and forgot password screen for a visually more aesthetic and consistent experience.
Here we have the demo video for the current state of our app. So this is the previous team's app redesigned with the new UI and the new color scheme. So first we'll show off the registration screen and the login screen. You'll see the new colors and the new font. And we also have the forgot password screen here. And so now we'll be logging in and going into the actual marketplace. So here we're in the marketplace. You can see what the marketplace will look like, and we also have a link to our educational resources page as well, which does include links directly to the external websites that are going to be displayed here. From the app, we can navigate to any of the different pages, including the settings page, and also back to the marketplace. And we can also log out from that bottom button as well. This concludes our first sprint and demo video. Thank you so much for listening.